but I've noticed a trend. My human does this funny thing where she goes around and gets all my toys, and then she hides them in that basket by the door. You know, puts always in the same basket, and it's always in the same place. And then she acts so surprised when I find them, but, you know, she's putting them in the same basket. Again. It's like, hello, this is where you put it last time. You were the worst at hide and go seek. Oh, come on, I wasn't finished. That was just last week.
Charlie Sheen. New comedy series premieres June 28th on FX.
Hi. Hey. What are you doing up so late?
I couldn't sleep.
Something bothering you?
It's nothing.
Come on. I'm your brother. You tell me anything.
Well, the truth is, your life has been going so great lately. It's been bringing up a lot of old resentment.